Time-telling tales. Unraveling AM and PM. Hello learners. Welcome to another fun-filled English language learning video. Today, we're going to decode the secrets of telling time, specifically focusing on the 12-hour time format. Do you find yourself puzzled by the terms AM and PM when telling time? Well, worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using and understanding these terms. So, let's dive right in. The 12-hour time format divides the 24 hours of a day into two periods lasting 12 hours each. The first period runs from midnight to noon, 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m., and the second runs from noon to midnight, 12 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. This way of telling time has been around for thousands of years, with roots in ancient Egypt. When we say AM and PM, what exactly do we mean? These are Latin terms. AM stands for ante-meridiem, which means before midday, and PM stands for post-meridiem, which means after midday. So when you see 8 a.m., that means it's 8 o'clock in the morning before midday. And when you see 3 p.m., that means it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, after midday. One common confusion in the 12-hour format is around the transition times. 12 a.m. is midnight and the start of a new day, whereas 12 p.m. is noon. Also, remember that the minute after 11:59 p.m. is 12 a.m., and not 12 p.m., as we are starting a new day. Let's apply what we've learned. If you wanted to meet a friend for lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you'd tell them 1 p.m. If you had to catch a really early flight at 5 o'clock in the morning, your alarm would be set for 5 a.m. Easy, right? And that's a wrap. We hope you now have a solid understanding of the 12-hour time format, and specifically the use of AM and PM. Practice using these as much as you can in your everyday life to get comfortable with them. Always remember, AM is before midday, PM is after midday. Thank you for joining us today, and keep practicing. In our next video, we'll tackle the 24-hour time format. Until then, happy learning!